Hello students, welcome to our channel. Today we will learn chapter 1 Living World and Classification of Microbes from class 8 General Science. We will go through important question and answers that can help you in your exams. Question number 1. Use Whittaker method to classify bacteria, protozoa, fungi, algae, prokaryotic, eukaryotic microbes. Answer: Bacteria kingdom Monera, protozoa kingdom Protista, fungi kingdom Fungi, algae if unicellular kingdom Protista, if multicellular kingdom Plantae, prokaryotic kingdom Monera, eukaryotic any kingdom other than Monera, microbes kingdom Monera or Protista. Question number 2. Complete the five kingdom method of classification using living organism, prokaryotes, eukaryotes, multicellular, unicellular, protista, animals, plants, fungi. Answer: living organism. It has two types, prokaryotes and eukaryotes. In prokaryotes, we have unicellular and monera. In eukaryotes, we have unicellular and multicellular. In unicellular, there is protista. In protista, in multicellular, there is fungi, plantae, and animalia. Question number 3. Find out my partner. A. Fungi. Answer is Candida. Uh, then protozoa. Answer is amoeba. Then virus. Answer is bacteriophage. Algae. Amoeba. Answer is chlorella. And bacteria. And its answer is prokaryotic. Question number 4. State whether the following statements are true or false. Explain your statements. A. Lactobacilli are harmful bacteria. Answer is false. Explanation: Lactobacilli are useful bacteria. They are used for curding the milk. They are also used for preparing variety of milk products. B. Cell wall of fungi is made up of chitin. Answer: true. Explanation: the cell wall of the plants is made up of cellulose, while the cell wall of fungi is made up of complex sugar called chitin. Inside the fungal cell wall there is cytoplasm which contains many nuclei. C. Organ of locomotion in amoeba is pseudopodia. Answer is true. Explanation: amoeba is a protozoan primitive organism which possesses pseudopodia as the organ for locomotion. D. Tomato wilt is a viral disease. Answer: true. Explanation: tomato wilt is a viral disease. These viruses are able to infect only plant cells. Question number 5. Give answers. A. State the merits of Whittaker's method of classification. Answer: First point, unicellular and multicellular organisms are kept under separate categories. Second, autotrophs and heterotrophs are placed in separate groups. Third point, a separate kingdom was assigned to fungi because of their mode of nutrition. Fourth point, it is more natural than a two kingdom classification. Fifth, prokaryotes are placed under a separate category of Monera. B. Write the characteristics of viruses. Answer: First point, viruses are extremely minute of the size range of 10 nrn to 100 nm. They are on the borderline of living and non-living. They are 10 to 100 times smaller than bacteria and are visible only through the electron microscope. Second point, though they are not considered as living, they can make replica of their own. Third, they exist in the form of independent particles. They are long molecules of DNA or RNA which are covered by a protein coat. Fourth, their survival is possible only inside the living plant or animal cells. When they infect the host cells, they produce their own proteins with the machinery of the host cell. These proteins form many replicas of the infecting viruses. Fifth, the infection destroys the host cell and the virus replicas are released. These free replicas reinfect the other adjoining cells of the host. Sixth point, most of the viruses are pathogenic. They cause disease in plants and animals. C. Explain the nutrition in fungi. Answer. Most of the fungi are saprophytic in their nutrition. They absorb the nourishment from dead and decaying matter by taking the organic matter from dead bodies of plants and animals. Fungi survive. In this process, they degrade the organic matter completely. D. Which living organisms are included in the kingdom Monera? Answer. First point, all the living organisms belong to the kingdom Monera are unicellular. Second, the mode of nutrition in them is either autotrophic or heterotrophic. Third, all of them are prokaryotic and thus they do not have well-formed nucleus. The nuclear membrane and the cell organelles are absent in them. Fourth, kingdom Monera consists of different types of bacteria and blue-green algae. Example: bacteria Clostridium tetani, Vibrio cholerae, Treponema pallidum, Streptococcus pneumoniae, Legionella pneumoniae, Salmonella typhi, Staphylococcus aureus, Clostridium botulinum. Question number 6. Who am I? A. I don't have true nucleus, cell organelles or plasma membrane. Answer. Microbe from Monera. B. I have nucleus and membrane bound cell organelles. Answer. Protozoan from Protista. I am any one of eukaryote. C. I live on decaying organic matter. Answer. Fungus. D. I reproduce mainly by cell division. Answer. Bacteria and some protozoa. E. I can produce my replica. Answer is virus. F. I am green but don't have organs. Answer. Algae. Question number 7. Draw neat and label diagram. First, different types of bacteria. Answer: you have to draw this diagram and label it carefully. First is coccus, second Coccobacillus, third Bacillus, fourth Vibrio, and fifth is Spiridium. Now B. Paramecium. You have to draw this diagram. C. Bacteriophage. Answer: you have to draw this diagram. First, collar, base plate, spikes, sheath, tail fiber, and capsid head containing DNA. Now, question number 8. Arrange the following in ascending order of size: bacteria, fungi, viruses, algae. Answer: viruses, bacteria, fungi, algae. That's all for today's lesson. I hope these questions and answers helped you understand the chapter better. If you like this video, give thumbs up and share to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring.